Hey there guys, welcome back. It's obviously Homestead Fashion Week by my nice new duds. Anyway, actually it's a bee suit I'm borrowing from my wife's Uncle Norman. Thanks Norman. And basically this is going to be, I don't know, part 3, 4 of the, actually part 4 of the bee series. The last part should have been the transferring bees from one of my swarm boxes. But today's going to be a little bit different. I got a call from my father-in-law Les, and he had seen a group of bees on the bottom of a group of mailboxes. So I grabbed a Rubbermaid tub. I still had this hive that I have not put anything in just yet. So I'm gonna have a go at it. I've got all the bees in the Rubbermaid tub and I'm gonna try to dump them in there. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure I have the queen in there. Hopefully keep the queen in here, close it up, and you know, we'll see if they stay. So anyway, the first clip I'm going to show you is just me capturing the bees, probably what you've seen 100 times from other beekeepers. I'm not a beekeeper, I'm a total amateur, so hopefully I did most of it right, but I let the box sit there for a while, and they did clump all around it, the ones I didn't get in the box, so I'm guessing that the queen is in there. So anyway, what I'll show you after that is I'm going to take these top bars off, bring my Rubbermaid tub tote up, undo it, and try to put all the bees in here. So anyway guys, hopefully it's gonna go good. Hold on one second. Before I show the transfer, while I still have the bees resting over there in their tub, I'll just give you a quick look at this TopBar hive, just to show you what you can build with really nothing. This is pallet wood legs. I got some just metal brackets stuck in Coke cans with some water. Some old plywood on the sides. I know that's not the best thing. Some pallet little bumpers up here just to space the bars out. And this was just some scrap wood that my brother-in-law Kevin was done with a project. So both of those sides were there, and then just some old fence planks on the bottom and some screen. So that's pretty much it. It's about as cheap as you can go. Other than screws, there was nothing store-bought for this. And then those were actually just the rest of that piece of wood ripped down into about 1 3/8 inches. I just put a junky little window here, and just an old scrap piece of plexiglass or something. So anyway, I just want to give you a look at that before I dump the bees in. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at all this, I think it's propolis or whatever. The bees were in this box for about 40 minutes, and it's just everywhere, really sticky, so pretty amazing.